Hello and welcome to another Masha from Russia food dish special. Today I want to talk to you about the famous Olivier potato salad. I call it the king of potato salads because it is the best. Even though other cultures have adopted something very similar, it was originated in Russia by some chef named Olivier. I know, it sounds so French, doesn't it? Maybe he was a French guy. Don't know. But back to this. Ingredients include potato, of course, Russian pickle, corn, carrot, boiled egg. You have to put dill, and you top it off with some mayo. Oh, and meat. You cannot forget meat. Usually something like kalbasa, and voila.